alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we'll start to solve paper 2, ICT, May, June 2024, variant 2. In this video, we'll solve the part 1, which is the word processing. You have been supplied with the following source files. I have some source files here. Evidence document, open the file J2422 evidence RTF. Make sure your name, center number, and cut number will appear in every page in this document, and this is document as evidence followed by your count number. So we'll go to our work area and open this file, evidence.rtf. Now, we will insert header from 3 parts. Your name, center number, and count number, and we'll save this as we put it in our work area as evidence. Followed by your center number, and we'll save it as Word document file. This is very important, okay? Save, this is back to the exam. Task 2, document. You are going to edit a document for Tawara Agricultural College. The college uses corporate house style for all its documents. Using suitable software, open the file J2422info.rtf. The page setup is set to A4 portrait orientation, 2 centimeter margins. Don't make any changes to the settings. 4 paragraph styles have been already created and applied. Don't make it any changes of these unless instructed to do so. Save the document in your work area with the name pamphlet or caps. Make sure it saves in the format of the software you are using. Place in your evidence document screenshot to show the file has been saved. Make sure that the evidence in the file type. So this mark will be for the file name and the extension. So we'll open this file info. We'll go to our work area, open this info RTF. Okay, and the first part we will save it, file, save as, go to your work area and save it as document. This is a very important part, and name it as pamphlet. And save. Now we need to open our work area and find this pamphlet and be sure that this type is fully visible. By double clicking for the type, it will be fully visible. So we'll take our screenshot for the file name and the file type. This is very important to obtain this file type. Copy and go to your evidence. For evidence 1, Control V and make it behind to be easy to move through the file through the document. Save. Get us back to exam. Number 2. Place right align header of the pamphlet document. Information updated by followed by space, then your name, center number, and count number. This will be in the right header. Okay, we'll go to file, pamphlet, insert, header. We'll take this 3 parts. This will be on the right part. Space, your name, center number, and count number. And be sure that you will delete this type here place and go to back to exam. Place right align in the footer the automated page number. Okay, we'll go to insert footer. In the right, you need to insert page number, current position, and we'll delete this mark places. Make sure that the header and footer are aligned to the right margin to the page. No other text or placeholders. We already deleted the placeholders are included in the header or footer areas. Header and footer are displayed for all pages, so we can be sure that this header in page 1 and this is the page number, and this is the header in page 2, and this is the and this will be the page number. Okay, there are 3 pages. Okay, now back to exam. Select the subheading educational faculties and the following text up to and including the paragraph ending or additional privilege. Change the page layout so that only the text displayed in 2 columns equal with the 1 centimeter space for between them. So we'll go to education faculties, additional privileges. Okay, so we'll select this education faculties and go down up to the part of additional privileges, and then you'll go to select layout and go to columns, more columns. We'll select 2, and here you can specify spacing as 1 centimeter. Okay, and this would be these two, the 2 columns. Okay. Number 4, the tag subhead paragraph has been already created and applied to the 4 subheadings. Modify this tag subhead style so only the following formatting is applied. So only the following applied. So if we have any other format, we will need to delete it from the tag subhead. Okay, we'll go to the style manager. Let's open this style manager. Go back to home, and this arrow will open the style manager. Okay, this tag subhead will open this arrow and modify this. Okay, let's take a look what setting we have. Font is serif, so it is Times New Roman, 16 center, bold and italic. Times New Roman, so this font have to be Times New Roman, and it have to be 16, bold and italic. There is no underline, so we'll remove this underline. And single page with 3 points after. So we'll go to paragraph and make it single, and the points after have to be 3. Okay. Take a screenshot to show your modification. You have modified the tag subhead style and settings applied. Place it in your evidence. So we'll go to our snipping tool, new, and we'll modify style window. We'll copy this, modify style window, and copy this and go to evidence. Press OK. Now we need to go to evidence. We don't make this as a center align. Let's modify this again and take another screenshot for the updated one. And copy. Then OK. let's go to our evidence. Let's make a space and let's press Control V for pasting and make it behind and make these steps at the bottom. Save and get back to the exam. Sort the bulleted list books up to travel in alphabetic order. So we'll go to the books to travel. This will need to be sorted in alphabetic order. So we'll go to this sort from A to Z. And this paragraph will be sorting in ascending. This will become A, B, E, S, S, T. That's good. Okay. Format the list so that the bullets are intended 1.5 centimeter from the left margin. So we'll go to this list and open the paragraph. And for the indentation, this indentation, we need before text 1.5 centimeters. So we'll make this 1.5. Okay, it becomes after 1.5 as an indentation. Format, import the image J2422 email and place it in the paragraph beginning to in the college has limited fund. The college have limited fund. We need to import this picture. So we'll go to find this. The college have been limited fund. This one. Yes, and we need to insert picture from file from this device. Go to our work area and import the picture. Okay. Format the image so that text to wrap around the image so it will be squared. So we'll open this and select the first one, which is square. It appears in the paragraph starting with in the college limited fund, aligned to the right of the column and bottom of the text in the paragraph. So it will be needed aligned to the right and the bottom of the paragraph text. So we need to move it, but let's open view and preview our grid lines to be sure that we can adjust this to the right to the paragraph to the right column. We don't move our, outside the column, and at the end of the paragraph, and that's it. We can now remove the grid lines. Okay. When clicked, it opens an email editor already sent to message to tag org at cambridge.org with the subject Tawara Presari. So we'll go to the image, right click, and we'll need to open the link. Okay, press email, and this will be the address, and the subject will be Tawara Presari. This will be the subject. And here, as we have a space between these two words, so we'll write it %20. Okay. Placing evidence document screenshot showing the link from the image, the email address, and the subject. So we'll take a screenshot snipping tool from this link and copy this and go to evidence and make space and then Control V and make it behind, and that's it. Save, get back to the exam. Locate the table in the document, delete the entire column and content with the heading price per week. So we'll go to find the table in the document. Can close these styles now. The table in the document. This is the table in the document. Okay. Price per week. This column need to be deleted. So I'll move like this and delete column. That's it. Format the first row of the table so that it becomes a single cell. So we need to merge these cells for the first row with the content centered align over 3 columns. It has light gray from 20 to 40 background fill. So we'll select these 3 and from home, merge and center. Okay, then select right click, we can merge cells. Okay, and now this is yes, this is a table. Okay, now we can select the shading. He asked me to do this as light gray from 20 to 40. So we'll open this, go to this. This will be 15. This will be 25. This between, as you can see, it is from 20 to 40, which is 25. You can select 25, or the next one will be 35. Any one of those will be fine. And it will be centered align. Okay. Format the table so that all text in each row displayed in one line, the table borders and all data fit width of the column. So we'll open again our grid lines and select this table and move this to be within the line, within the, we can remove now grid lines, and it have to be in single line. So we need to change the size. Price per week, we deleted the wrong column. We deleted the wrong column. So we need to delete this column. So we'll delete this and make this as a merged cell. Will be aligned in center. And now can resize the columns to be in one line. Yes. Okay. And header have to be filling with 25 background. Okay. Now spell check and proofread your document. Make sure that the list or table not split over column or pages. There are no with or orphans. There are no blank pages. The original style are maintained except TC subhead. Spacing is constant before all items. Save this document and print this document. Okay. Now we'll need to go to review. We'll select spelling. Now we don't have this spelling is okay. So we don't have any correction. And let's take a look over this file. This will be fine. There is no splitting. Yes, that's it. Okay. Table is not split and the bullets too. And now this file will take 2 pages. So we'll print this file. So file print in your exam, you will open, you will print in your printer, but here I'll print it as a PDF and I'll save it as printout one. And this will be our document. If we go to the work area, this will be printout one. And that's it for the word part. Okay. Next video, we'll go to solve the next part, which is the database. You can find link in description. Thank you for watching. See you next video.